Hey guys, it's me Nina and I'm back with what was that? I don't know. Hi guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another Hi guys, I'm back. Why can't I get this right? Hi guys, it's Nina and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look, and it's going to be one of these like little gory makeup things, you know. You get the idea, right? I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I know that I have fake blood gel, and I got this from Party City. And I made my own, what do you call this, prosthetic skin? Yeah. I made this using Vaseline and flour. And this is what we're going to use today. Obviously, I'm going to use my foundation. I might use this because it's a little bit lighter than my skin and I want to look dead, you know, like casket ready. So I might use this, but we'll see. My little eBay palette that's been sticking with me for years. It is definitely not the best, as in like cruelty free and all of that stuff, but it has the rainbow, so I'm gonna use it. If you want to see the look that I'm gonna create, please stay tuned. But first, subscribe here and press the little bell for notifications from me, Nina, and I'll see you guys in another video. So I started with my eyes, and I wanted to go for a more bruised look, like somebody had punched me in my eye or something. So I used like blacks and browns and a lot of pinks. Some of it got lost, but you kind of get the idea. And this part does not have to be neat at all. Like, bruises are not neat, so it doesn't make any sense to have like precision for this part. And I think I used the same brush for this whole eye look, so yeah. Okay, I lied, I didn't. There's another brush, but I think it was just to make it, you know, more fluffed out, I guess. So I didn't fully think this through. I thought that the prosthetic skin was going to just stick on my face, but it didn't, and I ended up using my eyelash adhesive, and it worked pretty fine to me. So I want you all to know that there was no plan. This is the first time I'm ever doing this, and I just went in for it. There was no like, oh, let's carve this out, let's do that. I just went in for it. So if you want to try it, just do it. So I'm just putting that prosthetic skin on, and I'm kind of like molding it to how I would like it to be. And again, I didn't have any tools, so my makeup brushes, like the ends of my makeup brushes, that's what I used, and it worked perfectly fine. And don't let the glue dry down too much, because it's not like your eyelashes where it needs to be tacky. This has to be a little bit wet for the dough. We're going to call this dough, for the dough to stick onto your skin, because saying prosthetic skin is it's very hard for me to say. So we're just going to say dough, okay? So I pretty much just kept patting and poking and, you know, repositioning until I got something that I liked. I know when I showed you guys the dough in the beginning, it was kind of like a white color, but I had foundations on my hand and it kind of just took to the color. And now I'm just adding foundation to see like how much more I need to blend out pretty much. And clearly it's a lot. I just want to get those edges as flat as possible so it looks like it's my skin. That's the whole idea, to make it look like this has actually happened to you. I know it looks like I'm being really rough, but I let the glue get too tacky and it wasn't sticking, but I just kept going. I didn't stop. And I wanted to give this area a little bit more texture, so it wasn't as flat on the inner part, but on the edges I used Vaseline to like blend it out and make it as flat as possible so it look like it's my skin. And from here we're just going to keep blending out those edges to make it look like your skin. And now I'm just going over everything with my regular foundation. I decided not to use the other one that I showed you guys because it was way too white for me. Then I went on to setting my face, everything except for the skin, the prosthetic skin, because I still wanted it to have that glossy effect. Then I went into my pressed powder, Black Radiance pressed powder, with a very heavy hand to contour my face and to add more dimension to the scarring. Then I went ahead and retouched my eyes because obviously the foundation took away from what was already there. And I just wanted to add some of that stuff back in. So to continue adding dimension to these scars, I also went into the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'll list down below what colors I used because I don't really remember off the top of my head. I think I used Chestnut and Wiz and possibly Brunette or Brave. I don't know, but I'll list it down below. I'm not saying go out and get that palette just to do this. You can use whatever browns and reds and blacks that you have on hand already. And now moved on to that gel blood. When you pack it into one area enough, it does get darker, but I wouldn't say to use this if you would like that like really dark blood. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really enjoyed making this video, and I think I'm gonna do another one for you guys. And I just added mascara to my lashes, and yeah, this is the completed look. I really like how this turned out. Thanks for watching.